I'm Mr. Chinnery. Today we're going to show you how to cook a nice simple goat curry my way. So the ingredients for a goat curry are garam masala, celery salt, turmeric, cracked black pepper and salt, garlic powder and Madras curry powder. We're also going to be using 1 onion, 3 tomatoes, 200 grams of spinach, fresh coriander add to taste and to garnish, 500 grams of goat and some fresh yoghurt. So what you do, put some oil in your pan, start off with your goat, because that takes longer. So you can probably see that it's already begun. So while that's cooking, and this is only how I cook it, people cook things differently, that's fresh natural yoghurt, which I use as a binding agent, and then all the ingredients that I mentioned before, all the spices go in. Celery powder, salt and pepper, garam masala, garlic powder, and it looks like a lot when you do it, but I'll show you in a minute that it's not. Turmeric, Madras curry paste. So that looks epic amount of spice, but because of the yoghurt, once I've stirred it, tixie licks. And it's very important that you put your spices in first, and the yoghurt just helps it bind to the goat. Now with a goat curry, ideally you want to be cooking it for about 2 hours. So in this video we'll show you how to mix it all together, and then we'll do here's one I made earlier moment, and I'll move these. So just let that cook to temperature. You've got coarsely sliced onion, tomatoes, and then leave that to do its thing for a minute. So incorporate it in. Stop spilling it, Matthew. Now you'll see everything's coated, and when you stir it, there's very little of the powder actually in the pan. It's on the goat because of the natural yoghurt. You can use tin tomatoes, but I like to use fresh tomatoes because as they sweat down, they release all the natural flavours anyway. And then you put a bit of water in. And give it an ickle stir again. If you've never had goat, as long as you like lamb, you'd like goat. And obviously it's a curry, so you can put anything in it. If you do it with chicken, it's like a 10-minute start to finish. But goat's quite exotic, and we had it on in the shop today, and it always sells out. Spinach. It looks like a lot again, but spinach reduces into nothing. It just disappears. That's not a chef's pick. Trying to get spinach so it wilts. It's like a Chinese woman's spinach. It either looks young and fresh or really old and gone, so be careful when you pick it. Right, so just let that do that. Put a bit of coriander in. And the smell of it makes you hungry, but you have to wait 2 hours for it to cook. Same with lamb, same with beef. The longer you leave it, nicer it is. Chicken, the quicker you get it cooked, the better. Vegetarian option is you can use chickpeas, cauliflower, and you can even pop an egg in it. Chris Rea would probably pop an egg in it, because he pops an egg in his bath, I've heard. So you let that reduce for 2 hours, simmer it away slowly, and it'll end up like that. It's got rice and mint and yoghurt sauce on it. We're not going to tell you how to cook rice because it's on the packet. And the sauce is just a shop bought yoghurt and mint sauce. So there you go, give it a go.